Okay, let us list all the factors. 1 and 12. Then 2 and 6. 3 and 4. These are the factors of 12. Let's find the factors of 18. 2 and 9. 3 and 6. Hi, I'm Manitis Cho of Feel Korean TV. Welcome to our channel and enjoy watching the different videos and learning at the same time. Today, I will share to you how to get the greatest common factor of two or more numbers using different methods. The word factors mean the numbers we can multiply together to get another number. And when we say greatest common factor, it is the highest or biggest number or factor that can divide exactly both the given numbers. We can get the greatest common factor, or we call that as GCF, using three methods. Let us take this question to get the GCF using the three methods. This question: what is the GCF of 16 and 36? I will use this question to show you the three methods. First method that we are going to use is the listing method. In listing method, we are going to list all the factors of the given numbers, and then we will look for the highest common factor, and that is the GCF, or greatest common factor. We will do like this. We are going to write 16 and 36. Like this. To get all the factors of 16, you need to think of numbers that when you multiply, the product is 16. Like 1 and 16. If you multiply 1 times 16, 16. Other numbers that we multiply and we get the product 16 are 2 and 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. And then another number is 4. When we multiply 4 by itself, 4 times 4 equals 16. So these are the factors of 16. All the factors of 16. I arrange it from lowest factor to the highest factor for us to easily see the common factors. Then let's proceed to 36. Let's list all the factors of 36. Of course, 1 and 36. Other numbers that we multiply and we get the product 36 are 2 and 18. Another 3 and 12. Another 4 and 9. These are all the factors of 36. Now, look at these numbers. There are three common numbers in 16 and 36. 1, 2, and 4. Since we are going to get the GCF, the greatest common factor, or the highest factor, so we will get the highest number that is common to 16 and 36. So the GCF is 4. This is the GCF of 16 and 36. This method is a listing. Okay, now I will show you how to get the GCF in another method, which is prime factorization method. In this method, we are going to use factor 3 and we will get prime factors. When we say prime number or prime factor, it is a number with 2 factors only, 1 and the number itself. If you want to learn more about prime numbers, just watch my other video about prime and composite numbers. Visit the link at the description box below. Let's proceed to the prime factorization. Prime factorization is like this. 16, 36. We will use the factor 3. Like this and like this. Now, you are going to think of 2 numbers that when you multiply, the product is 16. Same with 36. But aside from 1 and 16, other numbers. Like 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Then 4 has other factors aside from 1 and 4. So we will get that. This is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. And then this one, 2 times 2 also. Okay. So 2, it has only 2 factors. 1 times 2 equals 2. So the factors are 1 and 2 only. 2 is a prime factor. So we will stop here because we already get the prime factors. We will write 16 is equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. We will do the same in 36. In 36, we can write 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. And then 4 again, 2 times 2. And then 9, 2 numbers that we multiply and we get the product 9, 3, and 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So 2 prime, 3 another prime number. Because 3 has only 2 factors, 1 and 3 only. So we will write here 36 is equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So we will write the prime factors from lowest to highest, or for us to easily find the common factors or the number that both numbers have. Here, they have a pair, 1 pair. Okay, another. There are 2 common prime factors, 2. So, next step is to multiply these common factors. And this 1 pair counted as 1. Each pair counted as 1. Okay. So, GCF, ano tayo? Equals 2 times 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. The answer is 4. Same with in the listing method. So this is how to use prime factorization to get the GCF of given numbers. Let's proceed now to the third method, which is the continuous division method. Continuous division method. In this method, we are going to divide the given numbers repeatedly by their common prime factors. This method is done like this. 16, 36. So it looks like this. We need to divide. We can apply the divisibility rules here for us to quickly find the prime divisors and get the quotient. 16 is an even number, 36 is an even number. So what number can we divide both this number? Prime number. We can divide this by 2. Because 2 is a prime number. And since both are even numbers, we can divide both by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, next. We will continuously divide. 8 and 18. We can divide this by 2. 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now, look at the numbers. 4 and 9 do not have common factors, so we cannot divide them anymore. We will stop dividing now. The next step here is to multiply the prime divisors. So we will multiply this. 2 times 2 equals 4. And this is the GCF of 16 and 36. Okay, the GCF. So, different methods, but the same answer. It's up to you to choose what is the easiest method for you to quickly find the GCF. But for me, the fastest way to find the GCF is using continuous division method. I'll give you another example for you to better understand using each method. Now, for another example, let us answer this question. What is the GCF of 12, 18, and 30? There are 3 numbers, but still we will do the same. Listing method, just list down the numbers. Okay, let us list all the factors. 1 and 12. Then 2 and 6. 3 and 4. These are the factors of 12. Let's find the factors of 18. 2 and 9. 3 and 6. Factors of 18. Next, 1 and 30. 2 and 15. 3 and 10. 5 and 6. I am doing this writing method because I want to arrange the factors from lowest to highest factors so that I can easily find the common factors, particularly the GCF. So let us find the highest number that is present to all 3 given numbers. The highest number that these 3 numbers have is 6. So the GCF is 6. Now let's do the prime factorization method. 12, 18, and 30. This one, we can have this 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number, so we will stop in 3, and this one, we'll get the prime factors of 4, 2. And then, in 18, 2 numbers that if we multiply the product is 18 are 3 and 6. 3 is a prime number, so we'll stop here. But in the case of 6, we will get the prime factors, which are 2 and 3. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. Prime, prime, prime. Next, 30. This is 3 times 10. Then, prime. So, we will get the prime factors of 10, which are 2 and 5. Okay. So, next step, we will write 12, 18, 30. Arrange the prime factors from lowest to highest. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3. Only the prime factors. Not this one, but only the prime. Then, 2 times 3 times 3. And then, 2 times 3 times 5. Next step, look at the common factors. Common meaning the three numbers have that factor is 1. And then 3 also. We will multiply the common prime factors. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 is the GCF. Same answer. Okay, let's proceed to the third method. 12, 18, 30. We will use continuous division method. And as I've said, you can apply the divisibility rules in the continuous division method. Now, let us answer. We will only use prime divisors. We will use only prime numbers as divisors. Even. We can divide this 3 by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 18 divided by 2, 9. 30 divided by 2, 15. Okay, next. Apply the divisibility rule. We can use 3. 6 divisible by 3, 9 divisible by 3, 15 also divisible by 3. So we can use 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. Now, 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. So we cannot divide them anymore because they do not have common prime factors. Next step, to multiply the prime divisors. Multiply 2 times 3 equals 6. This is the GCF. Different methods, but the same answer. You can choose what method is the best for you to get the answer quickly. But for me, the fastest way to get the GCF is using the continuous division method. I'll give you last example, and this time we will just use one method, the continuous division method, because this is the fastest way and I want you to master this. Find the GCF of 8, 24, and 32. This time, we will use continuous division method only. 8, 24, 32. What prime number can divide the three numbers? Of course, 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 24 divided by 2, 12. 32 divided by 2, 16. Next, divide again by 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 16 divided by 2, 8. Next. Okay. Another 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay. The 3 have no common prime factor. So we will stop now. Next, multiply the 3 prime divisors used. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. The GCF is 8. Okay. I have another tip for you to get the GCF. This is very much useful because you need not to compute anymore if you instill it in your mind, if you keep it in your mind. To get the GCF, just look at the given numbers. If the other given numbers can be divided by the smallest given number, the GCF is the smallest given number. Like in this example, 8, 24, and 32. 24 can be divided by 8. 32 can be divided by 8. Automatic, the GCF is 8. You need not to solve if you know that secret. I hope that will help you. Now, to test your knowledge, write your answer in the comment box below for this question. What is the GCF of 12, 48, and 60? You can write your answer in the comment box below. And surely I will reply to your answer. I hope you enjoy learning in mathematics. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy watching this topic. And you can also share this to your friends. Thanks again. See you next time. God bless.